Hey guys,
Hello.
welcome back to day 4 of Vlogmas. Today, well, a little bit later, we're gonna be building gingerbread houses and seeing who can build the best one. And yeah, so right now we've just been cleaning all morning. Well, I have been, and we're gonna eat lunch, and then I'm gonna finish cleaning, and then I think we're gonna run a couple errands. Go to Home Depot. Yes. Yes.
Dude, we can't keep driving to the store every day.
We will take the bus.
I have like no gas.
We'll take the bus.
Oh my god, you can go.
By myself?
Yeah.
Bruh.
I'm tired of running to the store every day. It's ridiculous.
The other times were for you.
No.
Yeah.
I have to drive you to school tomorrow anyways. We can just do it tomorrow.
I want to do it today.
Well, we're not, so.
The washer in our apartment was leaking through the floor to like the light below in the kitchen. And it was like full of water, and so they won't come check it for mold or to check the wiring, so I'm gonna go do it myself. And then we're gonna build our gingerbread houses. And I think we'll do maybe like a giveaway if you vote for who's the best, and then that'll be like your giveaway entry. So yeah. Okay, so we're gonna make our gingerbread houses. I got this one. We got them at Walmart.
This one's mine.
And wait, what does yours look like?
You gotta talk louder.
Oh, they're kind of the same. So we're gonna see who can make the better gingerbread house, and then we'll let you guys vote on the winner. Are you eating those cold?
Oh, they're still warm.
Kinda. He's eating leftover taquitos because he wanted to be difficult.
They're not leftover. They were made like an hour ago.
And not eat when I was eating.
I wasn't hungry. It's upside down.
The menu scissors.
For what?
In a little bag.
Here's my gingerbread.
Zachary.
What? What?
Mine's already constructed.
Open it. Well, that's cheating.
I didn't know it was already constructed.
Well, it says it on the box. I've been waiting for you to realize that since we got home.
No, you didn't even know it.
I read it earlier.
It just says ready to decorate.
Yeah, ready to decorate.
That's what it meant.
That's not fair, man.
I didn't know it.
Gotta do a little inventory. Can you eat this?
Yeah, I mean, I probably wouldn't if I was you. You just got little gingerbread men?
Gingerbread men.
Yeah. That's what Ethan used to call Ginger. My dog's name's Ginger.
No, one of mine's broken, dude. Bro, what the heck, man?
He used to call Ginger gingerbread.
Oh.
Pick it up!
This is gonna be a really good base, though, huh? Dude, what kind of freaking...
The title of this video is gonna be Gingerbread House Fail.
Fails, yeah. It's all falling apart. It's literally all falling apart.
What do you want me to do?
I need help. I need you to put a hand on something so it doesn't fall so I can fix it. Now I need this side.
Because that piece is pushing it all out.
I'm about to literally just throw mine away.
Thanks, bud.
This needs to go away out of camera, so about taking this apart. Dude.
Zachary.
Macy? Hey, Alright, here is the final version of the house on the front. That's me and Macy, the gingerbread man and woman. Side, got some trees in the back. The other side. The roof looks cool, I think, with the snowflakes. And the top up here.
For some reason, like, the camera stopped recording when we were in the middle of it, so.
And here's mine, it had an earthquake.
Yeah, Zach's kind of. What did you do, babe?
It freaking fell apart. And my frosting, instead of coming out of here, it exploded out of this side right here. There's a huge hole. Look at all this mess.
And now we need to clean up this giant mess.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that really quick, and then we'll get back to you guys in a minute. All right. No more pomegranates.
No pomegranates!
We're gonna make these potatoes for dinner tonight. They have just like cheese and cream cheese and hot sauce in them. Like, they're kind of like twice baked potatoes. So Zach's over here working on the potatoes.
Yep.
Stab those potatoes.
Damn.
We're gonna microwave them, so that's what he's doing. And then we're boiling some chicken. Smells good. And I'm about to work on some questions for my final tomorrow, so I just need to study for them. And yeah.
Bone App the teeth.
These look so good. Already starting to edit tonight's video because it's gonna be long and we're not done yet, so.
I thought you were just talking to me. Ready?
3, 2. That's good.
That is bomb.
That's hella good. That's spicy.
Mm-hmm.
So I had to use like mozzarella and cheddar cheese, but we had mozzarella and triple jack, which is like even spicier. You gonna end the video here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's gonna be it for tonight's video, and we will see you guys tomorrow at 8 p.m. Pacific time for day 5. Bye.
Bye.